everyone, today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to format your memory card on your Sony ZV-E10. Formatting ensures compatibility with your camera's file system and also provides a fresh start for your storage. So it will wipe out all the footage on your memory card. So do make sure it's backed up before you do this. Let's dive right into it. So if I push the little button here at the bottom, there is some footage on my memory card. But what we want to do is go ahead and hit the menu button here at the top. And this will open up our menu, and we're going to be using the kind of circular area here so you can go back and forth, up and down. We're going to go up to the top so we can go back and forth here in the menu. Now head on over to the fifth one here. This is the setup menu. It's kind of a little suitcase looking thing. And then push down, and then we're going to push to the right. So right now we're on page 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, and we're looking for 4 of 5, and you'll see it says format there. Go ahead and push the center button in the ring here. And it says all data will be deleted format. So again, make sure all of your footage is backed up before you do this because you'll lose it all. And if you want to go ahead, go up to enter. Again, push the center button in the circle there. It's going to start formatting. And this will take a little bit longer if you've got a lot of footage on there. So we'll let it run for a few seconds. Formatting complete, and we are done. It's really that simple to format your memory card here in your Sony ZV-E10.